Alright guys, just finished up installing these TV headrests on the brand new Chevy 2023 Tahoe. It's pretty nice. It's got Play Store, YouTube, Disney Plus, Netflix, file folders, all kinds of nice stuff that you can watch. Let's go ahead and watch a quick little video. Looks nice and clear. All our wiring is ran nice and clean. You don't see it at all, and it won't interfere with any of your seats or any of that. These screens are removable as well, so they look pretty nice, really nice. We finished those up today, done, ready to go.